Welcome to my channel called Fun Science and Music. I am Kalchandar and I will tell you an experiment called rising water. The materials are colored water, a plate, a matchstick, a coin, a glass. So first you take the plate and pour some colored water on it. Then you take the matchstick and bend the matchstick. Then you take the coin and do it like this and put it on the plate. Then for this you need a helper because you have to burn the matchstick. After the matchstick is burned, we have to put the glass on it. You would instantly see the water rising inside the glass. This is because of the heat created by the burning of the match. This is created a vacuum inside the glass. The liquid creates a airtight seal around the glass. The vacuum inside the glass sucks the liquid around it. So we see how the water rises inside the glass. Thank you. And like my channel and press this button, subscribe.